Well, howdy. This is my 1858 Remington 44. It has been loaded for about 5 years, and I'm gonna see if it'll shoot. It's been capped and everything for 5+ years. Let's see. All 6. That is freaking nuts. I cannot believe all 6 went off. Wow. That's crazy. Remington 1858 black powder revolver, loaded for over 5 years with percussion caps. This thing's been underneath my seat in my truck, 100-degree weather, freezing weather. It's been on top of the fridge, in a cabinet, in my pockets, under the seat. Crazy reliable weapon. Every time I pull the trigger, that thing goes boom, and it's really accurate to about 50 yards. Definitely check them out, y'all. That's my baby.